Looks like it's going to be a lot harder to damage the Galaxy S23 than the Galaxy S22. Samsung's next flagship phone will be getting the latest version of Gorilla Glass, the maker confirms. Today, Corning announced that the Samsung Galaxy S23 family will be the first smartphone to be protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. The reveal doesn't come as much of a surprise since this has been a trend, with Samsung being the first to get the original version of Victus and the S22 being the first to get Victus Plus. Launched back in November 2022, this new version is said to have better survival rates when dropped on rough surfaces like concrete and asphalt. Specifically, the company states it can survive drops of up to 1 meter, about hip height, on concrete and asphalt. Corning says Gorilla Glass Victus 2 has the same uprated scratch resistance as the original Victus, which is good even if you're primarily worried about drops, because as soon as glass gets a decent-sized scratch, it becomes a lot easier to fracture. Samsung S-series phones typically include the latest Gorilla Glass, and they similarly were the first to use 2020's Gorilla Glass Victus, so we kind of expected this news. On the Galaxy S22 series, Gorilla Glass covers both the front and the back of the handsets. Neither Corning nor Samsung elaborated in their statements if that was going to happen for the Galaxy S23 series, but it's probable that will be the case this time around as well. Meanwhile, more Galaxy S23 series official case colors and designs have shown up online through leaked renders. They reveal clear cases, colored silicone cases, and S-View flip covers for both the rounder Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and the boxier Galaxy S23 Ultra. The renders also reveal screen protectors for the Galaxy S23 series, and they offer a closer look at some of Samsung's design decisions for 2023, the circular rear-facing cameras. Silicone cases for the Galaxy S23 series come in navy blue, green, pink, cream, bright orange, and clear. S-View flip covers are shown in black, green, pink, and cream. The renders also reveal the other side of the S-View cover, and as usual, it has a credit card or money holder. And that's pretty much it for this leak. We haven't seen a protective bumper design for the 2023 flagship series yet, and it remains to be seen if the so-called gadget case will have the unusual features that were uncovered in a somewhat mysterious render earlier this week. Samsung should announce the entire range of protective cases for the Galaxy S23 series on February 1 at Unpacked. So that's all for today. For more updates, do consider subscribing the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.